The French affectionately call their beloved homeland El Hexagon because of its distinct six-sided shape. Each corner of France has its own unique character: the rugged and outdoorsy French Alps, sun-drenched and slow-paced Provence, the glamorous and gorgeous Côte d'Azur coastline, and Alsace with picture-perfect hamlets nestled in vine-covered hills. Paris and Versailles are must-see destinations for a first trip to France. Other classic travel itineraries include stops at fashionable seaside resorts, fairy-tale castles, and glorious Gothic cathedrals. More off-the-beaten-path experiences are found in the countryside, such as at farmhouses in Burgundy, fishing villages in Brittany, and in the forests of the Pyrenees Mountains. From the cultured cities to the quaint countryside, explore this diverse country with our glimpse of the best places to visit in France.